This video, I'm going to show you how you can change your presentation from widescreen or landscape portrait. So if you want to change your presentation to portrait, it is quite simple. Just follow these instructions. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is go ahead and open the presentation that you want to change to portrait. Then head over to File here and then look for the option called Page Setup. So if you click on Page Setup, you can see the current setup is widescreen, which is 16:9. To change this, click on it and then choose the option called Custom. Under this, change the unit from inches to pixels. Now to change this to portrait, go ahead and change these units from 960 to 1080 by 1920. And then go ahead and click on Apply. So if I click on Apply, now you can see our presentation is in portrait format. So this is a format that is very much friendly to smartphones or small gadgets that you might be using. So that's how you can change your presentation to portrait in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.